ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. All glories to Guru Maharaj, all glories to Srila Prabhupada. I'm Jay Govind. I'm sorry, Mukundgari Prabhu asked me my details. Unfortunately, I was not able to send him the details for some reason. I did send him the video, but unfortunately, I've been told that they could not upload the video. So I will do my presentation in the best possible manner I can. Dawn of Zambia. Actually, ISKCON was established in Zambia in early 70s. When His Grace Brahmanand Das visited from America to European countries, to Middle East countries, then to Pakistan and Bombay, Srila Prabhupada instructed him to go to Africa. He came first to Nairobi, from Nairobi to Tanzania, and then he came to Zambia. And it was a very successful trip in Zambia. And the center was established. Unfortunately, for some reason, the movement could not revive. In the last couple of years, I have been making an effort to do a little bit of preaching in Zambia. With the blessing of the GBC, His Holiness Bhakti Chaitanya Swami, with the mercy of my Guru Maharaj, Loknath Swami Maharaj, and His Holiness Ram Govind Swami Maharaj, we registered ISKCON this year in February, and making every effort to develop a very good congregation of devotees in Zambia. A preaching center has now been established. Talking about the book distribution, Srila Prabhupada inherited the mission of book distribution from his spiritual master and passed this to all his disciples. A Guru Parampara has been established. We please Srila Prabhupada and serve him by distributing his books. We develop love for Krishna by distributing the books. Book distribution is a devotional service and a Sankirtan movement. Distribution of books by talking philosophy, the books contained, one feels deeply connected. Distribution of books and preaching in Muslim world was highly desired by Srila Prabhupada. In Zambia, we distribute books in shopping malls, temples, car parks, visiting individual houses, preaching center congregation in Lusaka, in various other religious congregation. Like there are a lot of places, there are other programs, religious programs. We always put up our stall and try to distribute books. In the last 1 year, and the figures given here was, I think, probably up to certain period, we distributed 542 books, and we scored about 300 points by distributing various books. We do submit SWOT analysis to BBT Africa. I'm really wondering, there was no mention of the SWOT. I think it is a very important aspect which BBT Africa considers. They look into the various strengths and weaknesses of book distribution in various parts of Africa. We do submit our report to BBT Africa. And we also regularly submit our score on a monthly basis. And I'm always pleased to see that Zambia appears on our Sankirtan results every month. There is also a magazine called Imprint. I don't know whether it is produced by BBT Africa or by any... it's BBT Africa, yes. I think the third issue has recently been launched, and I'm quite pleased that ISKCON Zambia has produced some articles in that. My personal interesting experiences has been while doing the book distribution. Very frankly speaking, I am alone in as an initiative devotee in Zambia, making an effort to build a congregation. But there are some devotees who are coming forward, and they do help me in book distribution, plus other activities, obviously. One aspect I felt that in most of the Srila Prabhupada books, there are Sanskrit verses. And a lot of people come forward, they, oh look, we can't read this book because of this. But I do mention to them, look, you can, if you can't follow those Sanskrit verses, but read the explanation which is given. And that's how I find that a lot of people are interested in buying books. We have been able to sell those books, sell Srila Prabhupada books. And another particular experience I have personally myself, after every Sunday class, spend 5 minutes, I always spend 5 to 10 minutes talking about these books. And after the prasadam, we always put a book stall after a Sunday program. And people definitely pick up a couple of books all the time. My another very good experience has been, recently there was, I think a couple of months ago, there was a Purushottam month. And I emphasized after the Sunday class that Purushottam month, it is very, very auspicious to read Krishna Katha. And I explained about this Krishna book, the 10th canto. And I was amazed. After the class, 4 Krishna books were sold in the congregation. So these are some of the techniques we have been using. And we are also trying to, we are based in Lusaka. Last weekend, some of my colleagues went to Livingston. So we have established a book stall in Livingston also now. And the next project will be to put up a book stall in Kitwe. In Kitwe, there are 2 devotees who are local devotees. They are the initiated disciples of Bhakti Tirth Maharaj. And unfortunately, since there was no facilities for them to grow in the movement, I have been encouraging them that they should participate. And most probably at the time of arrival of His Holiness Ram Govind Maharaj, towards the end of this month, we shall be visiting Kitwe. And we will send some books to Kitwe also, so that we can increase our efforts for book distribution. As mentioned earlier by that it is very important that we must realize that distribution of books itself is not an end. We have to make sure that by reading these books, we must make an observation whether the movement is effective or not, this book distribution effective or not. I am still waiting some of the devotees after reading the books, is somebody coming back to our congregation appreciating that they have read this book or not. It is very, very essential. And as a matter of fact, it is very important that we follow up. Follow up is a very, very important aspect. We also want to start a project of giving the Bhagavad Gita to various hotels. I have contacted, there is a Taj group of hotels in Lusaka, and I have contacted the general manager, and I shall be meeting him soon, and hopefully we shall be able to give some Bhagavad Gita to this Taj Bamoji in Lusaka. With this, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, being here. Hare Krishna.